I'm going to have a look at appreciation and depreciation problems. Now, appreciation and depreciation problems are very similar to the compound interest questions that we just looked at. They can be done the exact same way, just slightly different wording. And it's not always money in a bank this time. It can be anything that goes up by a certain percentage or down by a certain percentage. Okay. Obviously, something appreciates, it's going up in value, depreciates, it goes down in value. Okay, so first one. Population of a city is increasing at a steady rate of 2.4% per annum. Present population is 528,000. What's the expected population in 4 years' time? So there's my important information then. Okay, let's start with my percentage. It's 2.4%. I'm going to add that onto my 100. So I get 102.4%, which as a decimal is 1.024. So that's my multiplier. So I get 1.024. This is for 4 years. So I'm going to do it to the power of 4. And it started at 528,000. Type that into a calculator. Power of 4 times 528,000 comes out 580,542. 580,542.14. Now we're talking about people here, so obviously we can leave it as that. This one does tell us to round, but even if it didn't tell you to round, you need to make sensible choices. Money must always be 2 decimal places. If we're talking about number of people, you need to round to the nearest whole number. This one though tells us to give an answer to the nearest 1,000. The nearest 1,000 then is 581,000. Okay, question 2. 250 milligram of a drug given to a patient at noon. The amount of drug in the bloodstream decreases by 20% every hour. How many milligrams are in the drug at 3 p.m? Okay, this time it's a depreciation. It's decreasing. It's going down the way. It's going down by 20% every hour. We're there from 12 till 3, so it's 3 hours. And we started with 250 milligrams of the drug. Because this is a depreciation, we still start with 100%, but instead of it increasing, it decreases. So instead of adding it on, I take it away. So 100 take away 20 is 80%. 80% to a decimal is 0.8. Apart from that, I do everything else the same. So my multiplier is 0.8. It's for 3 hours. So 2 to the power of 3. Started with 250 milligrams, so I times by 250. So 0.8 power of 3 times 250. And we get 128 milligrams. Okay, I'll leave you to practice some of these. Just one wee word of warning. Appreciation, depreciation, compound interest, they only work, you can only do them the quick way if it's for the same percentage each time. If it's a different percentage each time, you need to do each one separately. Okay.